Hey everyone, so let's talk about another plant hormone which is known as abscisic acid. So as we see the name that is written here, it's a stress hormone and why it is said to be a stress hormone. So before starting that abscisic acid, let's see this molecular structure of abscisic acid. Fine. So let's see here what it's written for the first line, like abscisic acid inhibits seed germination. So basically the plant growth promoting hormones are doing what? Initiating the growth and development. But here we see abscisic acid is stopping the like seed germination. Okay, now here it stimulates the closure of stomata and increase the tolerance of a plant to various kinds of stress. So what are these stress conditions like excess of water condition, high temperature? So these are the stress conditions which affect the growth of plant and development. So at that period of time, what did the abscisic acid do? They just close the stomata so that there will be a period of dormancy is just there. Okay, so what we say here, it plays an important role in seed development, maturation and dormancy. So plant under stress condition, what plants do? They undergo the stage of dormancy. By inducing dormancy, ABA helps seed to withstand desiccation and other factors unfavorable for growth. So basically what they try to do in the stress condition when they will undergo the process of dormancy so that they can withstand the stress conditions like seed desiccations and like unfavorable growth environment. So in most situations, what we can say also, ABA act as an antagonist to gibberellic acid. Why? Because ultimately the gibberellic acid is helping in what? Seed germination, flower development, fruit development. So in the stress condition, abscisic acid will induce the dormant state of a plant. Thank you for learning.